boys and girls. Good morning. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. I cannot believe that it's April 20th already. I hope you guys all had a great weekend and you're ready for another week of learning. So if you remember, last week our focus sound was that long O sound where the O said its name. This week our focus sound is the long E sound. So when we say our words or we hear these words, we will hear that long E sound. So I want to share with you guys your new spelling words for the week. Our first one, we have, I think you'll find them to be pretty easy. Our first one we have me. The next one, be. This one I hope you're all doing every day still. Read. Remember, when we read, our brains grow so much. The next one, feet. My marker's dying. Let me grab a different one. That way you can see it, F-E-E-T. The next word we have is tree. And you notice as I'm saying them, I hear that long E in each word. The next one, keep. Like I will keep my favorite picture. The next one, eat. What is your favorite food to eat? And then we have mean. I sure hope that none of you are ever mean. You're not, right? You're all nice all the time. The next one, see. Now this is not the kind of see like I see with my eyeballs, but the type of see like the ocean or the boat went out on the sea, the water. And then our last one, these. Like these are my favorite spelling words ever. So as you can see, each word has that long E in them. So this week, what you're going to be working on, there's a link in my stories with this lesson plan for a story from a Journeys book called The Big Trip. So that's kind of like this week's theme. It's the big trip. Taking different trips. Maybe you have taken a big vacation, or maybe you just remember a time when you took a trip with your family to the grocery store, or maybe a trip to a park. So we'll talk more a little bit later the rest of the week about trips and ways we can travel and different types of transportation. So after you watch The Big Trip today, I want you to complete pages 16 and 17 in your Journeys Reader's Notebook, Volume 2. I think you all know which book you're supposed to be using now, so keep using it and doing your best handwriting. The first page for 16, all you need to do is circle the word that matches the picture. All of them are that long E sound that we just talked about. And then on page 17, it says, listen to the questions. Read along and circle the best answer to each question. So the first one says, what word goes with might? Your choices are maybe or there. So what if you asked your mom or your dad or your grandma, hey, can we go to Chuck E. Cheese next month for my birthday? Can we please? And they say, well, we might. Now that doesn't mean yes, doesn't mean no. So I think it goes with maybe. The answer I would circle for number 1 would be maybe. All right, so again, today, pages 16 and 17. That's all you need to do in your Journeys Reader's Notebook, Volume 2. I'll see you in a little bit for math.